everyone, welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on today. Kind of an emergency job. Not really an emergency job, but we're working on an emergency vehicle. What we have is one of my local township police vehicles that has some damage on it. As you can see on the quarter panel here, it's in there pretty good, creased in there pretty good. These vehicles are really hard to work on. It's really double walled in there, so it's real tight. We're going to heat up the glue, get some glue on it, and try working it that way. Maybe we could get a tool on it and fine tune it after we're done with the glue. What happened was, I believe they were on a call and someone was backing out of their driveway and backed into the cruiser. So we're going to try to help everyone out here. The lady that hit the car, she's been making payments, trying to pay it off. And I told them, whatever she paid in, just don't worry about it. That's fine. We'll get this car done. That way we help her out. She doesn't have a lot of money, I believe. So we'll help her out, help the police out, get this vehicle back on the road and back to work. So we'll take you along with us as we normally do. Start working this, get this thing done, and see how it turns out. Let's do it. We're moving along with this. It's coming out nice. Just taking our time with the glue pulling, getting in those low spots, pulling them up. If there's any high mounds or high spots, we're tapping them down slowly, making that panel flat again. It's coming out nice. I'll show you the results so far. we still have work to do, but as you can see, it looks pretty good. That whole crease low spot is out, and kind of back to the way it should be, but still work to do on it. Again, these don't have to be perfect. They're police vehicles. They get abused pretty well, but while it's in service, you know, that they want them looking nice while they're on the road. So we'll keep working it. Maybe even see if we could get a whale tail in there. Like I said, that panel's pretty doubled up in there. It's hard to get a good tool in there, but maybe we'll get a whale tail in there, fine tune all those little low spots, and then, you know, make that look really good so we can get this thing done. So let's keep going and see how it turns out. Let's do it. Okay, we are all finished up. It came out great. Just got in there with the whale tail, got in all those little low spots, worked them up, fine-tuned it, tapped down any little high spots left, and got the panel looking perfect again. So I'll show you the final results. If you remember that big crease that was in there and that scratch in there, we polished that out as well, but you can see the panel is back to the way it should be. It looks really good. I think they're going to be happy with it. I'm happy with the results, how it turned out. Hopefully this helps out that lady that hit the car as well. Like I said, she was making payments. I told them to tell her, don't worry about it anymore. Let me just take care of it. We'll get it done and fixed, and, you know, tell her not to pay anymore. So hopefully she appreciates that. You know, things happen. It's an accident. It's nice to be able to help people out like that, especially the police too, getting this vehicle back on the road. I'm just glad we were able to help out, work the dent out, and get it done. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you can, like, subscribe. We're gonna do more videos, and we'll catch you next time.